Welcome back to Digital Futures Education. Today we're going to go over essential networking tools that are going to help you advance your career. They're also just great terms to know if you're going into an entry-level IT role, working at a help desk, or providing IT support. So let's get into the terms. Router, a device that routes data between networks. The router needs to be reset to fix the network connection. Client, a computer or software that accesses resources on a network. Client cannot connect to the server. Bandwidth, the maximum data transfer on a network. High bandwidth allows for faster data transfer. Thanks for checking out the video. If you like this content, please give a subscribe and a like. Now let's go back to the vocabulary. Protocol, a set of rules for data transmission. The HTTP protocol is used for web browsing. Latency, a delay before a transfer of data begins. High latency can slow down a network. Subnet, a subdivision of an IP network that enhances network organization. Subnets help organize and secure larger networks. Topology, physical or logical organization of a network. The network's topology impacts its performance. Port forwarding, redirecting communication requests from one address to another. Set up port forwarding to access devices remotely. DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, a network protocol for assigning IP addresses automatically. DHCP simplifies IP address management. Gateway, a device that connects different networks and manages data flow. Gateway connects the local network to the internet. SSID Broadcast, the transmission of a network's SSID to make it visible to devices. Disable SSID Broadcast to hide your network. Static IP, a fixed IP address that does not change. Servers generally use a static IP. Ping, a command to test network connectivity between network devices. Ping the server to see if it's online. Access point, a device that allows wireless devices to connect to a network. The access point provides Wi-Fi to the entire office. Bandwidth utilization, a percentage of bandwidth being utilized by a network. Monitor bandwidth utilization to reduce network congestion. Bandwidth monitoring, tracking data usage to optimize network performance. Bandwidth monitoring, tracking data usage to optimize network performance. Bandwidth monitoring helps prevent network congestion. IP conflict, when two devices on the same network share an IP address. An IP conflict can cause connectivity issues. Proxy, a server which acts as an intermediary between a user and the internet. Using a proxy can help mask your IP address. Bandwidth allocation, distributing bandwidth across network devices or applications. Bandwidth allocation prioritizes essential services. Port, a connection point for data transmission. Certain applications require that certain ports are open. Thanks for reviewing these essential entry-level IT networking terms with me. Be sure to check out other videos around essential vocabulary for IT in your job or career development. If you don't see a topic, be sure to check the links in the description for other videos related to IT vocabulary development, and please give us a like and subscribe.